Welcome back. A 8-year-old girl, Satya Vaishnavi, died in Nusi Wokat Hospital on Thursday morning. Father of the girl child, who is also a doctor, has alleged that his daughter died due to medical negligence of the hospital. Police have sent the dead body to GMC for post-mortem. Hospital authorities have denied the allegations. A 8-year-old girl died on Thursday morning at Nusi Wokat Hospital. The 8-year-old girl complained of abdominal pain, due to which she was admitted in the hospital. After examinations and treatment, the girl felt uncomfortable and succumbed to death. Father of the child is also a doctor, Dr. Venkatesh Vaishnavi. He alleged that the child died due to medical negligence. But the hospital in charge has denied any such allegation. He said the doctors tried their best to save the child.
In the night hours, the mortality happened and all the measures were taken care of. We believe it is documents and other has been handed over to the PI for evaluation. We don't believe in any sort of negligence. Subject to committee, they will be evaluating and giving other details. Rest other formalities were taken care in the morning hours, and we have handed all the papers and the mortality body to the needs officer.
Kunkoli police arrived at the hospital and took charge of all the documents related to the examinations.
We have written a letter to Dean of GMC requesting to form a panel of doctors and to conduct the postmortem in order to ascertain the exact cause of death.
Reporter Savya Dias for Prudent. Goa government has come up with new tentative seniority list of senior scale officers of Goa Civil Service. The state government has submitted amended seniority list before the High Court, where the previous seniority list is under challenge. After submission of the new list, counsel of the petitioner Elvis Gomes sought time to take instructions on withdrawal of petition. Elvis Gomes told Prudent that he will seek legal opinion on withdrawal. Goa government on Thursday submitted a tentative seniority list of senior scale officers of Goa Civil Service before the High Court. The state government stated before the High Court that this is a tentative seniority list and has sought objections from all the officers appearing in this list. The counsel of the petitioner stated that in the view of new seniority list, he needs to take instructions from his client about withdrawal of the petition. The High Court granted time to the petitioner counsel till Monday. Prudent has a copy of new seniority list, but in new list, both Arun Desai and Sandeep Jacques have been placed above petitioner Elvis Gomes. In the previous list too, both were above the petitioner, which the petitioner had challenged in his petition. Prudent caught up with the petitioner Elvis Gomes for his comments, but he refused to speak on camera as the matter is sub judice. But he told that as of now, he is not sure whether he will withdraw his petition. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. The vendors of Ponda Municipal Market have knocked the door of High Court challenging the increased SOPO, but the High Court, without admitting the plea, has directed them to appeal before Director of Municipal Administration. The vendors have requested the High Court to keep their petition pending till Monday. By then, they will seek legal remedy before the DMA. Petition filed by aggrieved vendors of Ponda Municipal Market came up for hearing on Thursday. During pre-admission hearing, vendors stated that SOPO has been increased from 5 rupees to 20 rupees per square meter inside the municipal market and from 5 rupees to 10 rupees per square meter outside the market per day. The vendors contended that they have financial constraints and can't afford this fee hike. After brief hearing, High Court ordered the petitioner to first appeal before the Director of Municipal Administration. The High Court cleared that the DMA is the right authority to appeal. The petitioner pleaded to the High Court to keep their petition pending and grant some time to appeal before the DMA. The High Court has granted them time till 17 November. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.